Guys, nowadays LinkedIn has become one of the main platform for job searching. So many of the people are getting jobs via LinkedIn portal, and 60% of the people getting job in via LinkedIn portal only. So if you want to shift from Naukri portal to LinkedIn, first of all you have to create your LinkedIn portal. This is the main step and first step. So after creating your profile, after creating your account, you have to add your skills, education, and if you have any experience you can add, and also professional summary. After that you have to connect with some of the professionals and HRs or companies employees. These will give this will enhance your visibility to employers or HRs or the HR. So these are the main things to create after creating your LinkedIn profile. So I will show one example that how to reach via HR or employee. Recently I have applied for an opportunity. After applying for that job, I received a call letter regarding inviting me to attend for an interview. So to prepare for the interview, before that day, if we want to go interview rounds in a smoother way, first of all have to know regarding company and role or interview rounds everything. I To prepare for the interview, I researched the company name and the role. By searching the company's name on LinkedIn, I connected with the three employees from the company and asked them about the interview process, and they responded professionally. So I also you can see here. Also here you can see this is the conversation between that employee and me. They discussed everything. So this is the way to connect with them and to reach professionally via LinkedIn. So let us see that how to create a LinkedIn profile. So guys, LinkedIn is a social platform where you can connect world's professionals. A complete LinkedIn profile will give your skills to your connections, recruiters, and future employees. So the main parts to create a LinkedIn profile, that primary sections. First one is the primary sections, and second one is the building connections on LinkedIn, and the third one we will provide I will say additional sections. So first step, that how to create a LinkedIn profile. First of all, we have to create open LinkedIn. If you have already an account, log into it. If you don't have any account, you can create an account or sign up by using your Google account. So after login you have to click on view profile. So there will be it will show like different sections which are mentioned below. We have to update the primary sections which are essential to build a strong profile. In the primary section it will show your first name and last name. Like if your name Sachin and your surname is Tendulkar, we have to mention like a Sachin Tendulkar. This is the example. You should not add like a Tendulkar Sachin. After that, you have to add your profile picture with a high resolution, and you should not add a profile picture with like a side faces or a casual wear or any blur background. Like this, you should not add. It should be clear, and there should be a smile on your face. So these are the main factors before adding. This is the main factor you should remember before adding your profile picture. After adding your profile picture, you also have to add one cover photo which shows your interest towards the opportunity. And after that you have to add a headline or bio. This is also main thing which is shows your interest for the towards the companies and connections and professionals. After adding your cover photo, you have to mention your education details. Education details should be in order. Like first of all, you have to add your undergraduate degree, example engineering or BTech or BE. After that, intermediate or 10 plus 2, and finally school. So you have to add a college name, degree, field of study, start year, and end year. So these are the main points in the education section. Another section, that is a professional summary or about you. So this is also one of the main point to create a strong profile. So imagine that you are having a conversation with your visitors, so someone wants to know about you. So this is the main thing which you shows with your connection to your connections or professional. So you have to carefully write everything that about your experience and everything. If you have skills, like if you have any full stack main stack, or if you are a main stack developer, you have to add like I'm an aspiring main stack developer, and I have strengths including coding, JavaScript, Python, React.js, etc. I am a quick learner. Like this, you have to add in your about section. And if you have any experience, you can add your title, employment type, full-time or part-time, and start date and end date if you are currently not working in the mentioned organization, and location. After mentioning all these details, we have to build connections on a LinkedIn portal. First of all, we have to customize your URL on a LinkedIn portal. Customizing your URL to your name will make it easy to share and remember. So to customize your URL, click on me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Click on view profile. So after that, you have to click on edit a public profile and URL from the side menu. So if you have doubt regarding that how to create increase your connections on LinkedIn, just like how you add your friends on Facebook or in LinkedIn, you can add connections on LinkedIn same. You can send connection request to people you know and your seniors or your college mates and your friends. Having a good number of connections improves your professional network, and it will help you to get good job opportunities, and also you may get referrals from companies. So these are the main benefits of if you have connections, very good connection. Like generally, if you have 500 connections on LinkedIn, it can be considered as a good professional network. And also there are some additional sections like a skills interest. So click on add section in your profile page, and click on skills to update your skills in LinkedIn. Example, if you have Python, HTML, CSS, like a React.js, Node.js, or any technical skills, you cannot by mentioning all these details. And also another section, interest. So you can follow interested people's companies, organization, like this. And there will be another section that is open to work. You can let recruiters and your network on LinkedIn know you are open to new job opportunities with the open to work feature. This is also one of the feature in LinkedIn, guys. So these are the main sections after creating your profile that which give a which will shows like a strong profile to potential employees.